In this video, I will show you how to stake on Crypto.com. To do this, first go and open up the Crypto.com app and go to Accounts in the bottom. Now here, open up the cryptocurrency that you want to stake, for example, Ethereum. And if the cryptocurrency is available for staking, you will then see right here the option to click on Stake. So go and click on that, and then choose how much you want to do. For example, 25% here. You can see stake now, then the activation is August 9th, the first reward is August 10th, and you can unstake and withdraw anytime. There is an unbonding period of 40 days, or if you want to do it instantly, there is a 5% fee. So then go and tick the box at the bottom if you agree with the terms and conditions and privacy notice, and then click confirm stake, enter your passcode, and from there you will see your request to stake ETH is being processed. So if you now go to the home screen and click earn at the top, you will see right here that my assets, I'm now staking Ethereum right here. If you click discover, you can also find more assets you can stake. So now you know how to stake on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.